So if I go back into the settings here, now you can see there are number of panels we have configured. So if I go into that, right now you have no information there. So I can say, let's say 4 panel and an 8 panel as an example. You could set the prices for any of it, either by a dollar value or a percentage value. 4, and I'll just set some random prices. So these settings, even though I'm showing you, I'll give you access, which you can do it on your own, but at the same time, you could use our data team. So if you just provide us the details, we are happy to do that for you. Okay, so I'll just delete these things, the 1, 6, and so what would happen here, I'll go back into the front of the quoting screen to show you how the poly shutter is going to work now. And I'll refresh the screen. 1500 by 1500 and choose that particular grid. You can see the price came up 432. And then if I choose a number of panel, let's say I chose 3 panels, that price got added as well. So you have the option to configure each of these fields, what you select with the price or percentage as well. So that's how you would configure prices for shutters.